I can do, the home inspection is not a, number one, it's not a code inspection. Number two, it's not a pass or fail. What we're looking for is, like I said, is safety, how the systems function. There is no perfect home out there. I can almost guarantee you, if you have a home inspection, they're going to find something. So now we have to determine how significant that is. Okay. So for most of the times, deficiencies and stuff will run into repairs, which is just simply, we got a plumbing leak. It's a plumber. Okay. We get it in there. It's not that big of a deal. But once you know that at the home inspection, now it's a negotiation point for your realtor and the client. Okay. Who's going to fix it? Is the client going to move into the house and fix it? Or is the seller have to fix it prior to closing? So that's by having that information. Now, the critical part, and one of the reasons it's critical to have a home inspection is that there is small fixes, such as a plumbing leak, but they could be major structural differences. Can it be fixed? Yes, but how much? So, if we go into a repair of of any type of structure, you're looking at 10 grand or more. Okay. Do you want to add that to the cost of the house? Do you want to add that inconvenience when you're moving in? So it's very critical that you get a home inspection and identify the possibilities of these defects prior to closing. All right. That way your agent and the client can get together and decide, how are we going to approach this? Now, again, I want to caution everybody. Everything's fixable. It's just simple as that. It is. Okay. But you have to decide who's going to fix it and how much you're going to pay for it. And does that still make the home worth what you want to pay for it and move into?